You are about to experience something amazing, Lilium Jet. The pinnacle of cutting-edge technology. It is touted as the world's first 5-seater electric aircraft powered by 36 electric jet engines. This not only delivers incredible flight performance, but also demonstrates the complexity and sophistication of the flight control system. AI plays a key role in power management for the 36 engines and data analysis, ensuring safe flight and maximum performance. Test flights have begun since April 2022. A living testament to the future of aviation. This is Oppo Air Glass 3 Concept, personalized AI assistant. The next generation of augmented reality, AR, glasses. Forget the bulky AR devices of the past. Oppo brings an ultra-light, elegant design that perfectly combines fashion and cutting-edge technology. Imagine being able to communicate with anyone, anywhere. AI is breaking all language barriers. Imagine being able to communicate with anyone, anywhere. AI is the brain behind this magic. AI helps you break all language barriers. The AI built into Oppo Air Glass 3 also provides information at the right time, in the right place. Helps you receive notifications, supports your work. At the same time, it also automatically learns your habits, helping you connect with the world more intuitively and conveniently. What we are about to see is straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. Introducing the Lazareth LMV-496, a flying motorcycle. This unique machine combines the thrill of a big motorcycle with the incredible flight capabilities of a personal flying vehicle. What's the secret? Look at the wheels. Inside each axle is a powerful jet engine. With the push of a button, the wheels rotate horizontally and the motorcycle can take off vertically. It runs like a normal motorcycle on the ground, but when flying, the rider uses an additional joystick to control thrust and altitude. The Lazareth LMV-496 is not just a vehicle, but a statement of continuous innovation. EasyMaker, a revolution in housework. Forget the worries of changing the bed sheets. Believe it or not, this laborious task can now be completed in just 60 seconds. EasyMaker is a device that uses smart lifting technology. Just place it under the mattress, press the button on the convenient remote control and boom! Your mattress is lifted gently without any effort. This little device can lift a mattress weighing up to 1,000 pounds in just a few dozen seconds. It's unbelievable. If you forget to lower the mattress, EasyMaker is smart enough to automatically deflate after 8 minutes. EasyMaker is definitely a great application of automation technology in life. Do you want to try it? Gelasim Flying Car. Gelasim University is proving that personal flying cars are no longer a distant dream. Check out this vehicle that weighs just 100 kilograms but has incredible capabilities. It can travel 160 kilometers on the ground like a unique motorbike, and when needed, it can take off and fly 30 kilometers. Despite its compact size, it can still carry a payload of up to 80 kilograms. Perfect for short trips around the city. This is a bold vision of the future of urban transportation, combining ground and air, creating a new travel experience. Next, say hello to the Vertical Aerospace Virginia 2X. This is the future of flying taxis, and sure enough, the autonomous control system integrates AI at a high level. With a lightweight design and optimized aerodynamics, the VA-X2 can carry 4 passengers and 1 pilot. Ideal for short flights between cities or within cities. And here are the impressive numbers. The VA-X2 has a range of up to 100 miles and a top speed of 150 miles per hour. All electric, for quiet, emission-free flights. Safety is paramount, with redundant flight systems and advanced controls, ensuring reliable travel. The 6m×8m×3m dimensions represent a remarkable breakthrough in the field of flight. From the sky, we return to the ground with an extremely smart and compact urban mobility solution. Introducing the Quiggle Folding Bike. Dubbed the world's most compact folding bike. This is an engineering marvel from Germany. This bike can be folded down to just 55 by 40 by 25 centimeters, weighing only 9 to 10 kilograms. It is so light that you can easily carry it or pull it around like a suitcase thanks to those auxiliary wheels. Amazing! But don't let the size fool you. Advanced folding mechanisms, premium materials, and precision engineering ensure durability and superior performance. The Quiggle is a great choice for frequent city commuters, space-saving, and extremely versatile. A testament to how innovation comes not only from sophisticated AI but also from advanced intelligent mechanical design. Pegasus E, hybrid flying car. A fascinating vehicle of the future where you can both roll on the road and fly in the air. This machine, not just a car, but also a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The seamless transition from driving mode to flying mode proves that sophisticated engineering, thanks to a complex AI flight control system, has worked. Now we see it transform again, a car version driving on a racetrack, then gently hovering over a field. And its outstanding advantage, its compact size allows parking in a regular garage. Personal flying device. Flyboard Air, combining elements of a jetpack and a hoverboard, allows a person to fly up to 3,000 meters. Reaching speeds of 150 kilometers per hour, it can hover in the air for about 10 minutes. The key to Flyboard Air lies in the technology. Sensors constantly read direction, speed, altitude, and automatically adjust thrust, micro, to keep the flight safer. Flyboard Air once set a Guinness World Record for the longest flight distance of a hoverboard. Flyboard Air represents the dream of real personal flight. Personalized sleep with AI. Here's another type of personal technology, Wave Sleep. The AI built into Wave Sleep will create the perfect lullaby for you based on your own brain waves. It sounds like something out of Star Trek, but it's true. Here's how it works. You attach the Wave Sleep device to your forehead. As you sleep, the device monitors your brain activity, focusing specifically on deep restorative delta waves. An AI algorithm then analyzes the delta wave pattern. It then automatically converts this complex neural data into soothing, personalized music or sounds that enhance your deep sleep cycles, in sync with your brain's natural rhythms. We found the device to be incredibly easy to use yet incredibly effective, with absolutely no invasive treatment required. For anyone struggling with sleepless nights, the promise of a truly refreshing, personalized, AI-driven wake-up call is incredibly enticing. We're back in the air, but with a different approach. This is the Kitty Hawk Flyer. It's like a flying jet ski. No wheels, just 8 propellers for lift, designed primarily to fly over water, capable of flying up to 10 feet. The innovation here is simplicity. Thanks to AI, GPS, and sensors working together to make flying intuitive. So even beginners can learn to fly safely in just a few dozen minutes. Meaning no pilot's license required. It's designed for short, fun trips. Floating apartment, Lazzarini. Amazing pyramid-shaped structure. And look, a personal drone, capable of being controlled by AI to land precisely, right on top. This wonder is envisioned as a self-sustaining floating city concept. Each pyramid has 10 floors, rising up to 30 meters above sea level, anchored on a giant 3,000 square meter base. AI plays a role in optimizing energy consumption and resource management. There are even smaller shuttle boats and docking areas inside that create a complete ecosystem. Inside the pyramid, Wire is like a luxury hotel suite floating on water. The combination of ancient architectural wisdom with advanced technology, managed by sophisticated AI for navigation and stability, is truly amazing. It redefines urban living on water. Remember the dream of a hoverboard? This is the Arca Space Hoverboard. The special thing about this hoverboard is that it contains 36 powerful fans. It makes it easy to hover, keeping the rider in the air for up to 6 minutes. The first takeoff is magical. The hoverboard body is light but very sturdy. The flight height is limited to about 30 centimeters, perfect for flying on the sidewalk. We saw it in action, moving on the city streets. Imagine traveling like this. This is not just a means of transportation, it is an experience. It is unbelievable. Dicycle. This is a revolutionary personal electric vehicle, designed to make city commuting easy, efficient, and stylish. Just look at the design, 2 large wheels surrounded by a comfortable seat. It has an electronically assisted balance system, that's where the AI comes in. This is no ordinary vehicle. It reaches speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and boasts a range of 25 miles on a single charge. It's built with a lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum frame, weighing just 35 kilograms, making it nimble and easy to maneuver on city streets, as you see here. And for safety, the dual braking system provides smooth stopping power and quick response. The adjustable seat adds to the comfort. This is smart, AI-powered personal mobility designed for the modern city. This is the Copter Pack. A personal flying backpack. A lightweight carbon fiber structure, 2 powerful propellers attached to the backpack system, allows the pilot to hover with incredible maneuverability. The key here is the AI-controlled self-balancing system that makes the controls intuitive and stable. The personal flying backpack hovering tests on the beach are proving the incredible promise of this technology. This could revolutionize the way we move. iPhone 17 Pro. Check out these concept renders of the iPhone 17 Pro. Think of it at the speed of light, folks. The processing power will make your current phone look like a flip phone from the Stone Age. Details: iPhone 17 Pro display, camera, features. Look at the display. The gorgeous 6.9-inch promotion display, incredibly smooth, lifelike images in the palm of your hand. And the new camera is worth mentioning too. With an upgraded 48-megapixel telephoto lens, taking photography to the next level. Also listen up, 12 GB of RAM for pro multitasking. iPhone 17 Pro is set to break all the limits. Expected to launch in late 2025. Klein Vision Aircar transforms. At first glance, it looks like a sleek, road-holding sports car. But with the push of a button, the transformation system is activated. The wings unfold gracefully, the tail extends, and suddenly you're not just driving a car, but a full-fledged airplane. Simple and safe. Integrated AI systems will predict risks, even in the event of an unexpected engine failure. The design ensures a safe, controlled landing. Sure, this is no pipe dream. It's certified as an aircraft and is undergoing second-generation testing. Personal boat, GoBoat 2.0. Forget heavy, bulky boats. The GoBoat 2.0 is compact, lightweight, and extremely portable. Made from patented Armorite composite material. Specially inflated, quick to set up and easy to store. And can be stored in the trunk or closet. Designed for versatility, this GoBoat is a favorite among anglers and hunters. It has multiple attachment points for your gear, rod holders, fish finders, and a perfect camouflage pattern to help it stay hidden when you're duck hunting. Overall, it has everything an outdoor enthusiast could want. Speng X2 eVTOL. Finally, meet the Speng X2, an all-electric eVTOL. Designed for short, efficient trips around the city. This futuristic aircraft can reach speeds of up to around 80 miles per hour. And boasts a flight time of up to 35 minutes. Backup power, 360-degree vision, and even an auto-landing function make for safe flight. All in all, Speng is building the future of urban air mobility.